Hey guys, it's Ray here from RLCO12 and EpicDroid.com, and I'm here today with a super quick video showing you guys how to re-enable 2-button navigation on OnePlus devices that have been updated to Android 11. This is a method I have confirmed is working on my OnePlus 8 Pro as well as my OnePlus Nord. As you can see here on my OnePlus 8 Pro, the only options I have are back, home, and recents as well as navigation gestures. But if you look down here at the bottom, you'll see that I am currently using the 2-button navigation. 2-button navigation is an awesome feature. It gives you a home button, also gives you a back button, and you swipe up for recents. To enable this, you are going to need two things. You are going to need ADB set up on your system, and then you are also going to need a rooted device with Magisk on it. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take my OnePlus Nord. We're going to go on the phone to your Chrome browser. We're going to go to rwilco12.com. I will have this link in the video description down below, but you'll see here there is a Magisk module that we're going to download. Once it's downloaded, we're going to close that. We're going to go into Magisk. We're going to hit the modules button. Then we're going to install from storage. We're going to go to the file that we just downloaded. It's going to install it, and then we're going to hit the reboot button here at the bottom. Once it's rebooted, we're going to unlock the phone. And as you can see here, the module is installed. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to plug in our USB. Once you've plugged that in, we're going to set this off to the side, and then we're going to come in here at our ADB window and we're going to type out a command. It's ADB shell cmd overlay enable com.android.internal.systemui.navbar.2button. And then we're going to hit enter. And I will have that command in the video description down below as well. Once you hit enter, you will see there that it did switch that over. So now we have the 2-button navigation. We can go in there. We have our back button. We have our recents button, or swipe up for recent. Everything looks awesome. If you want to change that back to one of the other options, you just go into your settings again, go into buttons and gestures, navigation bar and gestures, and then you just tap whichever one you want, and then it'll switch it over for you. Now if you want to re-enable it again, you can go ahead, hit that, and presto, you're good to go. This method does retain through reboots. It does retain through system updates as well. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you need to reinstall it, we'll have that Magisk module up on our website, and we'll have that link in the video description, and we'll have that command in there for you as well. If you guys have any questions about this project, if you guys have any questions about this process, about the Magisk module, or about OnePlus devices in general, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below. We'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.